friendly neighborhood welder here. My neighbor is working on putting together an old Dodge pickup, and he's got a later model Hemi. I believe this is the case. It's a later model Hemi, but he already has it converted to work with a carburetor, and he wants to put a mechanical fuel pump on it. And that is hard to do, I guess, because they don't make the right camshaft to run this Eccentric to run the fuel pump. So what we're going to do is use this old camshaft to basically just as a jig or as a fixture, and that will locate where that needs to be. And we're gonna TIG around. We're actually gonna TIG braze around the edge of this in a few spots, and that should be plenty to hold it, and then you can run a mechanical fuel pump on that. So I've got the wire wheel work done, but we actually do need to do a little bit of brake cleaner cleanup here. Where is my rag? So let's go ahead and give it a little brake cleaner cleanup. Especially when TIG welding, cleanliness is extremely important. But with all welding, cleanliness is extremely important. Alright, I'm struggling because we got dirt all around the spots that we want to weld, so try to clean it up as best as possible there. Okay, let's break out the TIG torch and some brazing rod, see if we can stick this together. Let's clean our tungsten. Gotta plug that in, I guess. I know I got a mess going on here. I'm right in the middle of another project, so bear with me. Let's clean our tungsten up. I like to spin it nice and slow. Oh yeah, it's already doing some weird stuff. Alright, I can tell that there's a bunch of oil basically impregnated in this. So it is not going to be as easy as I thought. So I think we need to heat this thing up first. Try to burn that out of there. Sharpen the tungsten again. Bolt back on it. Oh yeah. Wipe away some of the nastiness. It's just it's basically just kind of bringing the oil out as soon as I try to weld to it. Let's just, actually, why don't we just take that off of there? Let's just take it off. Okay, we haven't put the bolt in, so let's just pull that off. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all the oil coming up out of there. We gotta clean this whole thing again. Oof, nasty. Nasty business. Alright, let's see. That'll cool it off quick. Alright, let's see. Is this thing still hot? Yes, very much so. Okay, this piece didn't seem to be having a problem. So we'll see what happens here. And then we got a bolt here. Might as well put this back in. Keep it all together. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. Tell you what, not gonna be the prettiest thing. This thing is so dirty, you guys. I just don't know. It's almost like we need to just burn it off before we even add filler. Let's try to clean that and then weld it again. We'll try to. Oh no! That's not what I wanted to cover the camera in and the light. Alright, third time's the charm maybe? I don't know. Alright, I'd like to hit one of these over here. Probably this one. I'd like to hit both of these. So let's see if we can do that. I think this is going to smoke it, but we'll see. Gotta pre-melt it, get the oil out of it. Alright, I think that's plenty good for this. Not my prettiest work ever, but it should hold up to what this is going to do. It should hold up. Not a lot of stress on this part. Alright, there you go. Not my prettiest work ever, but that'll work for this. TIG welded a manual fuel pump Eccentric onto a late model Hemi cam gear, I guess. Yeah, right there. That'll do. That'll do, Pete. That'll do. Alright, everybody, a little clear up on what we just did there. That was a timing gear from a 2001 Magnum 360, and he wanted to put the manual fuel pump on that, and that is a fuel pump Eccentric from a 73 LA model Dodge engine. Anyways, that's it for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please smash the like button for me, hit the subscribe, and drop a comment below. That'll really help as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.